just be. Don't take it. Take it, just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing right.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I am going to be reviewing the Collagen Co the glow shakes. I have been looking for a collagen just to kind of add to my daily routine because I'm getting old in age. I'm 44, so, and plus I had that surgery, so with losing weight, you know, you want to make sure your skin stay tight, and that's something that I didn't monitor or whatever. So I'm trying to be intentional with things going forward, like with my life, my health, my relationships, and everything. Just my daily routines and all of the above. I'm just trying to be intentional, and if it's something that you know, that I need to change, then I'm going to change it. If it's something that I need to include in my daily routine, I need to, you know, just do it just to better myself as a human being. So this shake is actually, it's a meal replacement, and that's what I'm aiming for, something that will help replace a meal to keep me kind of like not snacking. But before I go into this review, I just want to thank you guys for clicking on this video. And if you're new here, hi, I am Tiffany. I am a mom and a mother of 3 kids, and we have 5 dogs in the house. But I like to do review. I haven't done a review in a while, but the Glow company the Collagen company reached out to me to try their products, so I'm excited about that. So if you like looking at reviews and hauls and home decor, this is the channel for you. Make sure that you stick around and subscribe to my channel. If you're not new, thank you for continuing to watch me. So they sent me the shake, and they also sent me the little pouch with the shaker in there. I need to wash the shaker, so I'll be doing that, but I'm not going to wash it on camera. But this shake, it helps with weight management, boosts metabolism, glowing skin and hair, and increase energy and focus, something that I definitely need. And like I said, it is a meal replacement. This one is the cinnamon churro flavor. I'm hoping that it's good. It has high protein, low carbs, and low calories. I know you guys can't see, but it has a lot of vitamins in it, and you can either substitute 2 meals a day or 1 meal a day. So I'm going to just be substituting 1 meal. So also this, it says it's weight loss, and it helps with weight loss and fat reduction, curb hunger and feel fuller for longer, increase energy and focus, reduce cellulite and wrinkles, thicker and healthier hair, and support healthy gut. So all of the above, I'm here for it. So today is actually Thanksgiving, you guys, and I've only eaten 1 meal today. So and it's 7:30, so I'm starting to get hungry again. So I want to see how well this curbs my appetite, just, you know, because I did bring a to-go plate home, but I don't want to eat it. I want to eat that tomorrow. So if I can get by without eating, you know, anything else tonight, then that'll be perfect. But hey, we'll see. So, all right, y'all. I just washed my little shaker. This actually has 17,500 milligrams of collagen peptides per serving. So, and it's 25 vitamins and minerals in here. So I am very excited to try this out. So that's what we're about to do right now. So it's a 2-minute prep time. So you just add 2 scoops and you blend it, shake it well, and enjoy. So you can use water or milk. So I got some lactose-free milk because, baby, I ain't about to be having no bubble guts. All right, so you fill it up with 350 milliliters of milk or water. So I put my 2 scoops in here, y'all. Let's see how it tastes. I've heard good reviews and it's all over the internet. So here we go. Okay, this is actually good. Oh my God. And I have been scared to try like collagen because I don't like the gritty taste that, you know, when you put powdered stuff in your milk and your coffee or whatever. I don't like that taste. Y'all, this does not have no grit or nothing. When I tell you this stuff tastes good. Oh my God. The cinnamon, oh my goodness. And you can smell it. You can smell the cinnamon, the churro. You can smell it when you first open the bag. And it tastes so good. It tastes just like it. So, oh my God. Y'all, this tastes like a milkshake. It really do taste like a milkshake. I just want to shout out the Collagen Company for sponsoring this video, y'all. It's a sponsored video, but baby, this is a true review. This stuff is the bomb. So if you're looking for some collagen, make sure you check them out. I have a link and a coupon code that I will throw up. I'll throw the coupon code on the screen and in the description, and I'll also put the link for you guys to purchase this. They are doing a Black Friday sale right now, so make sure that you run to the link and order you some if you're looking for some good collagen, y'all. I'm going to keep on taking this. I'm going to do one a day, 1 meal replacement a day, and see what the difference is. I will be coming back on a week from today. So next week, my next video, which, yeah, it'll be next week. And let you guys know, you know, see if you can see a difference. I know I'm going to see if I can see a difference. So we're going to see. I'm going to see if it's going to help me with my meal replacement, how long it curbs my appetite and stuff like that. Because that's what I'm excited about, y'all. I am really being intentional about my life. I done created a life planner, y'all. A life planner. If you don't know what that is, go on Pinterest, check it out. Create you one for yourself. But yes, I have built mine. I am ready to go. I am just, you know, starting before the new year. There's no reason to sit and wait for the new year. Go ahead and get started. And why don't you go and click on that link and start on your collagen journey with me through the Collagen Company. Thank you again, the Collagen Company, for sponsoring this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and I will chat with you all in the next video. Bye.
Taking just